Namaskar. Welcome to Exercise Explained. In this video, we would be doing motion in one dimension, exercise 2C, question number 6 onwards. In the previous video, I have done till question number 5, the link for which will be provided in the description. Do check that out if you have not seen that. Hope you guys would like the video. So starting with the sixth question, exercise 2C, ICSE 9th. A train moving with a velocity of 20 meter per second is brought to rest by applying brakes in 5 seconds. So it was moving with a velocity of 20 meter per second. That means initial velocity 20 meter per second. Final velocity will be 0 because it is brought to rest. So it stops, and that is the reason final velocity will be equal to 0. Sorry. Time will be 5 seconds. It's given here in 5 seconds. We need to find retardation. So we will find acceleration and then we'll write down the retardation value. So I'll be using the acceleration formula that happens to be v minus u by t. So v is 20 minus u is v is 0 minus u is 20 divided by 5. So we get it as minus 20 by 5. That happens to be minus 4 meter per second square. So I've got acceleration to be minus 4 meter per second square. So retardation is going to be 4 meter per second square. Coming to the next question, that is 7th question. A train travels with a speed of 60 kilometers per hour from station A to station B. Now this is a very important question, always comes in the exam. And then comes back with a speed of 80 kilometers per hour. That means A to B it is going at a speed of 60 kilometers per hour, and B to A it is coming at a speed of 80 kilometers per hour. From station B to station A, find the average speed. So we need to find the average speed for the entire journey and average velocity. Now a trick about this question is, it goes from station A, goes to station B, and then back to station A. So here what we mean to say is the displacement will be 0 because the starting position and the ending position is exactly the same, that is station A only. So if displacement is 0, the average velocity will also be equal to 0. So I can straight away say that average velocity for the entire journey is 0 because average velocity will be total displacement by total time. So total displacement is going to be 0 by total time whatever it is. So that happens to be 0 only. Now we need to consider the distance from A to B as x kilometer. So B to A will also be equal to x kilometer because it is given that for a train, so usually the trains will be going by the same tracks, so we consider the distance to be same, and in this question we have to consider it to be the same. So for case 1, that is for the train to go from station A to station B, I use the formula speed is equal to distance by time. Time happens to be distance by speed. So t1 will be distance is x divided by speed is 60. So t1 is x by 60. Now we'll be taking case 2 where it is from station B to station A. In this case again I write time is equal to distance by speed. So t2 will be equal to x by 80. Now coming to the next part, that is to find the average speed. We know the formula for average speed as total distance traveled divided by total time taken. So total distance traveled happens to be x plus x divided by total time taken happens to be x by 60, that is time to go from A to B, and x by 80, that is time to come back to A from B. So I write this. Now I take the LCM of 60 and 80. The LCM happens to be 240. So here I get 4x because 4 into 60 is 240. And here I get 3x because 3 into 80 is 240. X plus x is written as 2x. Now this is of the form a by b divided by c by d, where we multiply the inverse of it. So 2x divided by 4x plus 3x is 7x divided by 240. Now 240 goes to the numerator because it is multiplied by the inverse. So 2x into 240 divided by 7x. X and x cancels. So we get it as 2 into 240 divided by 7. That happens to be 480 divided by 7, which is 68.57 kilometers per hour. So the average speed is 68.57 kilometers per hour. Average velocity, as I've already told you, it's going to be displacement by total time taken. So 0 divided by x by 60 plus x by 80. So that happens to be 0 only. So this completes this video. Question number 8 onwards will be there in the next video, the link for which will be provided in the description below. Do watch the videos and share it with your friends. Dhanyavad.